Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Subaru Outback. First, you'll need to understand the advantages of a lifted suspension, like improved ground clearance for off-road adventures. Next, choose a suitable lift kit, often ranging from 1.5 to 3 inches. Finally, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a reliable jack and sturdy jack stands, before beginning any work. Before starting, park your Subaru Outback on a completely level and stable surface. It's crucial to engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the rear wheels to prevent any movement. Next, use a breaker bar to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the front wheels while the vehicle is still on the ground. This makes removal much easier once it's lifted. Now, safely lift the front of your Subaru Outback using a floor jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Once stable, remove the front wheels. You'll then need to disconnect various suspension components, such as the sway bar links and brake lines, to allow for strut removal. Carefully install the new lift spacers or complete strut assemblies, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. After installing the lift components, carefully reassemble all suspension parts you disconnected. Reinstall the front wheels, then slowly lower your Subaru Outback off the jack stands. Once on the ground, tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer's recommended torque specification, typically around 89 foot-pounds. Finally, it is absolutely essential to get a professional wheel alignment done as soon as possible to ensure proper handling and tire wear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.